This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Denise Euler. Enjoy owning a home in the maintenance-free community of Legends at Tatum Ridge. Close to hospitals, doctors, library and schools. Minutes from nature parks and the recreational area of Celery Fields, a bird lover's delight. This community in 2017 received the Civic Beautification Award from the Sarasota Garden Club. No CDDs, low HOA, golf course next door, lakes throughout and sidewalks. This pool home backs up to a wooded area with water views. Split bedroom plan, breakfast area, a formal dining room plus a den offers comfortable living space for any family's preferred living style. Home is clean and ready for you to decorate. Newer air conditioner, freshly pressure washed. For more information, review the details below.